Hey guys, today I have another video for you guys today. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download and install iTunes on Windows 10. So basically what you're going to want to do to install it, as you can see I already have it installed right here. So I'm just going to walk you guys through the steps on how I got this downloaded. What you're going to want to do is that if you have Google Chrome installed, you're going to click that. So once you click Google Chrome, and now the search bar comes up. So what you're going to want to type in is, let me enlarge in that. So now that I have that enlarged, I'm going to show you guys what to type in. So you're going to want to type in support.apple.com/downloads/iTunes. Then you're going to hit enter. Sorry about that. But then you're going to want to scroll down to iTunes 12. Oh, sorry guys, can't see that. You're gonna scroll down to iTunes 12.8. You're gonna click it, and then what you're going to hit is download. Nothing happens. So I was stuck on this page forever, for the longest time. So I was like, why isn't it happening? Why isn't it downloading? So what you're going to want to hit, this took me so long to realize it, but you're going to want to hit get it from Microsoft. That is if you have Windows 10 device. So it takes you to this website. Don't worry, it's safe. And then you want to click get, and then open in Microsoft Store. You want to click the blue button, and then it takes you to the Microsoft Store app on your laptop. So I already have it installed, but it's gonna say like download, and then once it's installed, you can launch it. So since I already have it installed, I'm just gonna click out of everything. Since I already have it installed right here, I'm gonna click on that. As you can see, it's iTunes, just like a MacBook or an iMac. So there you guys go. Here is fully working iTunes on a Windows device. So if you want to have it like pinned to your desktop, or you want to have it right here, like all the other apps right here, you want to have it on your desktop. So what you do is you're going to want to click on the window, and then what you want to do is hold left click. You're going to want to hold on it, and then with your mouse you're going to want to move it, and then there you go. Now it's on your desktop. But I'm pretty sure there's other ways to do it. So for example, like more, I guess not for now, but at least that's how I do it. So there you can launch it. So there you guys go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos like these tutorials. So yeah, have a great day. Bye.